Hey, a bunch of us are heading to the dancing after school. Are you in?
Maybe later. Just want to finish this level first.
You said that yesterday and the day before.
Oh, Mia, please. It's just help me to chill. That's all.
Hey, can I say something without you getting mad?
Sure, I guess.
I just miss hanging out with you, like really with you. Lately, it feel like your screen get more of you than I do.
I didn't mean to. I don't know. I've been stuck in the loop.
It's easy to get lost in scrolling, but you're missing real love, real talks, even real rest.
I think you are right.
You know, it's okay to not check your phone every few minutes.
Yeah, but it's like a habit now. I don't even think about it.
I get it, but sometimes we are always staring at screens. We miss what's right in front of us. Real fun, real people, real memories.
I didn't realize how much I was missing until I look up.
Phones are great, but they are not everything. The world does not live behind a screen. It's out here with friends, love, weird photo booth pictures.
Thanks, Mia. I need that.
Anytime. Now come on, I demand a dance with you.